Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hey, what's up people out there, this is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a water drops reflection on the glass, and you are just touching the glass like photo manipulation in Photoshop. Before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, camera preset, lightroom preset, PNGs, color lookups, and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. Before getting to the video, just follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the video. Now all you have to do is just capture your photograph in such a way that you are just touching the window glass like this. That way you have to make a pose and click that photo anywhere else in the room or whatever the background it is. But I recommend you to click the photo in a very plain wall so that you can cut out your image very easily. So let's select the image by using the quick selection tool and just click on the plus icon. You can increase the size of the brush by holding bracket key from the keyboard and just roll all over the subject's body to make the subject to be selected. Now just right click on it and select leave a copy option. So here you can see we have created a the duplication of the background or the layer. Now all you're gonna do is let's just duplicate one more layer, and let's go to the levels and let's increase the lightness on the face and highlight the area. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now all you're gonna do is just select the eraser tool, increase the size of the eraser and just decrease the opacity to around 75% and just erase on the hand region because we don't want our hand to be oversaturated, and just increase the lightness on the face region. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers option. Now let's add background to the photograph. So I'll go to the file, click on open, and let's use the background. You can download this background from the link given in the description for free. Just drag it and drop over here. Now press Ctrl T or go to the edit and select free transform tool and just enlarge the image of the background. That's it. It is really very simple. Just like this way. The thing you need to do is just make the square because we want to put as our Instagram photograph. So we'll click on the crop tool and select the 1:1 ratio, that is of square, and just to make a perfect square cropping of the image so that we can put on our Instagram profile. You can increase the size a little bit. Now it seems very much perfect, I guess. Now let's go to ratio and clear the ratio, and you can still more increase a little more size if you want, but I recommend it is okay for our Instagram profile. And just press OK. So here we have made our cropping for our Instagram profile, square cropping. Now all you need to do is just go to the filter, select blur, and then select the Gaussian blur and just blur it a little more to around 1:10%. Just make some more enlargement Now all you're gonna do is just select the blur tool from here, select the hard round brush and just blur on the edge of the subject, because we want to look our subject to be, you know, very much original, so we need to blur the edge of the subject. Make the strength to around 53% or 50% and just roll all over the edge of the subject, so that it will actually make your subject to look more realistic. So like this way you have to make it blur, so that no one would identify whether you have cut out the image or, you know, it is an original photograph. Here you have to blur a more area. So let's select the blur tool and just blur it more. Also blur on some portion of the image of the, because we want to highlight the hand area, so we have to blur whole image. Just make sure to blur every portion of the image. Only the hand portion should remain unblurred. Rest of all the image you have to blur it in a very perfect way. Now here we have almost completed our process of. Now let's select create dodge and burning process. So let's just select all and right click on it and select fill it with 50% gray, create a clipping mask on it, right click on it and just go to the blend mode and select overlay. And let's select the dodge from here and make the dodge to around 10 or 12%. Increase the size of the brush and just make more highlights on the area where you want to make it dodge or whiten the area. And just do a little more burning on the process to make it more enhanced. So let's just darken this portion. Make the exposure to around 11%. This will actually create your facial look. Now let's just smooth the skin by using the channel mixture brush. Make 40 wet to 40%, load 48, mix 31 and flow 37%. And just smooth the skin a little more. Just unhide this layer and just smooth the skin a little more. So here we have almost completed our process of smoothing the skin. Now it is looking way more realistic, and the face is looking very much slim and cut face. You can just decrease the opacity if you want to decrease to around 70%, then you can just decrease it. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's add the water droplets to the photograph. So we'll select the water droplets and just press Ctrl U to desaturate it and make it black and white. Press Ctrl L and just increase the lightness and just make it more darker, and just press OK. Just drag and drop over this tab. Press Ctrl D to enlarge the image. Now change the blending mode to screen. Now let's just duplicate this layer and let's select the eraser tool and just delete it some portion from here and also from here. Press Ctrl L. And all you have to do is just merge both the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Change the blending mode to screen again. Now let's create new layer. Right click on it and select create a clipping mask. Select the brush tool and select the black color from here. Increase the size of the brush. Make the opacity to around 20%. Change the blending mode to multiply and just slightly do the process. Make it on the face region. Just decrease some opacity to around 70%. You can anytime adjust. If you want to adjust it, you can adjust anytime. Let's release the let's delete it. Just drag it one more time. Press Ctrl T. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl L and make it more darker. And press OK. And let's just keep it somewhere over here. Now let's again just right click on it and create a clipping mask. Eraser tool and just delete it from over here. Just make sure that your eyes may look actually on the windows. Press Ctrl L and make it more darker and darker. And just press OK. Now we will just crop the image. So let's clear the ratio and make some more adjustment on the photograph. This much we will keep it as our image, final image. Now all you have to do is just go to the color lookup and let's add some kind of Luts on the image. Let's select this Lut file. This one actually is looking very much perfect and realistic. So let's again go to the hue and saturation, select the red color and turn it to a +2 or +3, decrease the opacity, increase the lightness a bit. So that the real skin tone may be, you can get that real skin tone. So here you can see the before and after effect. Now all you gotta do is just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Here there is something more remaining to be blurred, so again let's just blur it more. Yeah, now it's okay. If you want to sharpen the image, you can go to the filter, select sharpen and select the unsharpen mask and just make it a bit of sharpening on the image. Let's duplicate the image, let's go to the filter, select sharpen and select unsharpen mask. Just sharpen it more a bit. Now all you're gonna do is just to select this much portion of the hand region and press Ctrl via cut. Just delete this and select this and just select the eraser tool and just delete it, some portion from here. That's it. Because we have now achieved only sharpening on this portion only. Now let's select the eraser tool also, just delete it, erase from the corner edge of the images or the hand region. Now it is looking very much natural and realistic. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. And again let's crop the image, final image. So here you can see our before and after effect. It is really looking very realistic for your Instagram profile. If you are planning to make such window rain is falling on the window glass, then this would be the perfect photo for your Instagram profile. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.